Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'll show you how can you enable Picked for You on Threads app. To enable Picked for You on Threads app, you need to follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to go ahead and make sure to log in or check for an update if you haven't updated the application for a long time. After which, you'll be directed to the home page, and here you want to click on the profile or the initials at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you want to click on the double line or the horizontal line in the top left hand side corner of your screen. You'll be directed to the settings. Here, click on notifications. After which, you want to scroll down and go ahead and click on from threads, which is at the bottom. Over here, you want to make sure to toggle the button or mark on the on button just next to Picked for You. So you could see currently I've already enabled it, so just like that, and you'll have successfully enabled Picked for You on Threads app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.